It's Greg Corman here, and I made a very short video for the silverbugs. I will start with a very short view so you can see I'm a silverbug. And now I will try to explain why I made this. Basically because I'm really tired of doomsday investors. People that say, well, I bought a kilo or I bought 500 kilos of silver because the economy will collapse and then I will be rich. Well, I'm not so good in writing, so that's why I made this short video. Let's have a look at the history. Here we have two pictures that show us the Great Depression, which was from 1929 till 1933. The banks collapsed. Lots and lots of people got unemployed. People were hungry. And now I will show you what the effect actually was on the silver prices. We first look at, could it happen again? Yeah, of course a depression could happen again. Yellowstone could erupt. Could have an atomic accident, we could have another pandemic, probably we will have, and we could have a stock market crash. So is it unlikely that it happens? It could happen. So let's continue. Now, what will happen with silver under a big depression? Most people that are new silverbugs, they believe that they will get very rich and they will be very happy because the dollar will be useless or the euro will be useless. And then they have this silver. Here are the silver prices from 1910 to 1920. Now in 1910, for a little over $1, you could buy 1 ounce of silver. By 1919, it was double the price. It was actually a little bit more than double the price, $1.12. And now we have a quick look how it went from 1920 to 1930. 1920, the price still went up. It went up to $1.30. And then in 21, it had a very big drop, almost 50%. And by 1929, it was $0.48, which is a 63% loss. This is when the Great Depression started, 29. And we continue. And then if we look here, we can see how further we get in the depression, how less you get for your silver. By 1933, it's 0.24. That's less than a quarter that you could get for your 1 ounce of silver. And why is that? Well, the banks, they collapsed, and the precious metal dealers, they didn't exist anymore. They went out of business. Because why would they buy precious metal? They were interested in buying bread. They were interested in buying seeds if they had a small piece of land so they could grow their own food. They were interested in standing in line by the soup kitchen. Nobody at that point was interested in buying silver. Now, here in 1934, you can see here it goes up, but we have to remember that at this point Roosevelt decided to devaluate the dollar by 70%. So why should you buy silver? Well, you should buy it because you like it, and you shouldn't put all your eggs in one basket and stop hoping for that collapse, because if you get that collapse, then your silver is useless. Thanks for watching.